All right, Scotty, I didn't know you were ready for your close-up.
I was. Not anymore. So
we got some of Curt's stuff.
Did you see how it was labeled?
Big
Mowen.
Big Mom.
Okay, whatever.
That's how you roll. That could be Big Mama out there. All right. So. Yeah. The good pumpkin gaskets. And
Okay, there's that for
the nut and washer set.
Nice. Very cool. Very cool.
But this is the
That'll go in the trash.
This is the big wiener here.
Well, thank you for noticing.
No. This is the chunk.
I just used the bathroom. Come on.
Oh my god. They ship it in a nice bin. Okay, so.
No, we're gonna do this smart, not stupid.
Work smarter, not harder?
Yep.
That's not fun.
Which is definitely not something I'm used to doing because I'm stupid.
You just know how to work whatever corner you're at. Come on, Scotty. Come on, man.
You were asking a 50 plus, almost 60 in a couple of year-old man to lift something that probably weighs as much as my old ass.
Ooh, it's shipped in a nice container. Keep it safe.
Okay, let's do.
Now you gotta undo the nuts.
I'm good at that.
Yeah, you should probably stand it up though before you undo the nuts. Just like that. Now you can undo the nuts. I reckon those be half, matey. Maybe
we're both wrong.
What'd you put?
Half?
That's okay. All right. So Scotty's gonna unveil it. Scotty. Do you need a drum roll?
No, but I get to feel like everybody else in the world for the first time ever.
What? Oh, haha, Mr. Three Nuts. Oh,
yeah, this is nice.
Yeah, get out of the way. You're in the light. You're in the light.
Take the bottom.
There you go. Let's see.
Now, let me get this into the light. Come into the light, Carol Ann.
Very nice.
That's pretty. That really is. That's nice.
New Speedway house made, that's their own private brand. Nodular carrier with posi unit, with very nice 350 gear, with Daytona type pinion. This is good stuff.
Yeah,
this is a really nice gear.
This is really, really nice.
Yeah, good stuff. Look at that. Way stronger than OE. Look at that. That's beautiful. Kurt's gonna be a happy camper.
Yeah, he is.
Well, let's put the gear back in the chingadera there. Keep her nice and clean. Yes, dear. Yes, yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, spin it.
The whole unit. I got to go this way with it?
Yes.
Okay.
No, too far. This hole. You should be close to two. You should be close to two studs. There you go.
One.
There you go. I put the lid back. All right. Nice stuff. Kurt's gonna be a happy boy.
Yeah, he will.
That's gonna go in next week. Yay! All right, thank you, Scotty.
Yes, I'm panting for breath.
Yeah, it's not
because when I got here, It was 48 degrees.
Yeah, now it's like 80.
Yeah.
Nice work, sir.
Thank you, thank you.